All right, guys, this is Sean Bougie, surplusfundsriches.net, and this is a series on the importance of dates. This is video 3 of 4 we're going to put together on this topic, and this is designed to help you get to a 7-figure surplus funds business. This one we're going to talk about Freetrader. This is a term used in separations when people are getting ready to get divorced. During the separation, but before the divorce is final, a Freetrader agreement allows one of the spouses to acquire property without the other person having a marital interest in the property. That's fair. Even though the divorce is imminent, person buying a home separately is often still noted as a married man or a married woman if the divorce is not final. That's because they are still technically married. But if the Freetrader agreement was signed before the home was purchased, the married man or married woman notation means nothing with regards to who gets surplus funds. Listen carefully. You need to ask questions when you're talking to people about putting a deal together. Now, let's look at an example. Bob and Barbara Smith get separated and they sign a Freetrader agreement recorded December 1st, 2020. Okay? They get separated. Let's assume Barb bought a house on June the 15th, 2021, and because the divorce was not final, the deed read Barb Smith, a married woman. Now let's assume the home that should say Barb, that Barb Smith bought in 2021 gets foreclosed on January 1st, 2025. You've done your due diligence. You read the deed. You'd assume the surplus was due to Bob and his wife at the time, Barb, at the time of the sale. You didn't see a Freetrader agreement or a separation or divorce information because you can't access that on online documents. The wife is still alive. You'd assume Barb was only entitled to have the surplus funds, right? It's important to ask folks the divorce when they get separated and if they get a Freetrader agreement signed before they bought the home that got foreclosed on. In this instance, Barb's entitled to all of it. She bought that house under a Freetrader agreement. Hope this helps. Guys, do yourself a favor. Save this video in your watch later file on YouTube. That way you'll remember where it's at. I will later put a link on this video when we load up video 4, so you can also check that out. And there should be a link, if this is the first one you're seeing, there should be a link at the end of this video to video number 1. Hope this helps. Have a great day.